super excited kasi I knew that this was something that I can do and that I also wanted to do. I knew that I was ready, and I'm really happy to be here. This was such an honor, and of course, it's such a huge milestone for me. So, yay!
Beautiful! Maraming salamat, Jasper. Grabe naman yun. Totoo no, we have witnessed.
Paano naging preparation for this project?
Well, I had to prepare physically and mentally. Gusto ko pa nga talaga ituloy yung preparation ko, but unfortunately, I got hospitalized a month before the shoot, so hindi ako nakapag-work out at all. Kasi I was too weak, so I just stayed disciplined with my meal plans. Hindi ko na din sinagad yung sarili ko. Kasi I also didn't want to push this idea na you had to look a certain way or a specific body shape para maging calendar girl ka. Also, love ko naman kasi yung body ko. So, hinayaan ko na. Sabi ko, unahin natin yung health ko at saka gusto ko lang mas maging body positive tayo. Kumbaga, hindi ko kailangan talagang super payat yung super yung tone. Gusto ko sana may muscles ako ganyan. Wala, hindi kinaya. Na-hospital ang girl. So, and also, I studied the concept with my team kasi gusto ko talaga maging kakaiba yung mapapakita ko sa inyo lahat. For me po kasi ang Tanduay Calendar Girl is about being real and confident. Kailangan mo embrace kung sino ka talaga. Kailangan mo accept yung flaws mo. So siguro na-earn ko po yung title niya this year kasi I learned how to own every version of myself. Yung playful side ko, yung soft side ko, yung strong and fierce. So yeah, really proud about that. Siguro yung empowering, definitely. But sometimes, I kind of feel weird. Sometimes, kasi parang lahat sila nakita kong bagets ako eh. Tapos ngayon, may kita nila ganito na yung get-up ko. But yun nga, so in a way, it feels empowering for me kasi talagang I like to shock people. I like to keep them guessing kung anong next kong gagawin. So yeah, it feels amazing. It feels good na nakita nila akong bagets at yun nakita nila ako as a woman. And now I am more intentional with what I do. I am more confident with what I want to do with my career. Mas in control na ako with my career right now. So hindi na siya about doing anything. It's more about enjoying where I am and just celebrating how where I am. And now, thank you. Actually, madami pa. Madami pa mga ganap na hindi nila inaakala. Madami pa pong mangyayari. Siguro masabi ko talaga more mature roles and more creative projects. Maraming exciting collaborations. And yun din, mas gusto ko lang mag-evolve, not just as an actress, pero as a woman din. So, ayan, excited lang ako na makita ng lahat ng tao kung ano mga mangyayari sa iyo.
Excited ka, Bigla. Congratulations!